I sold these two things on eBay today. One of these is special. Let me tell you about them. So first up is this Ralph Lauren white pearl snap button up. We know that right now Western is selling, and that's why this one sold quick. This one sold the same day I listed it in a matter of just a few hours. I set it for $29. Someone set an offer of $25, and I took that offer. I wasn't gonna argue over $4. So this one is great because it is Ralph Lauren, which doesn't typically do that well, and it is a small and it still sold that fast because of this Western style right now that's going. And it's plain white. It's versatile for many occasions. Holiday season's coming up, so keep on a lookout for, even if it's not that great of a brand, the pearl snaps and the Western attire is very in right now. And then next up is this Clefable Pokemon card. This is from my personal collection. I've had this for many years. It's a first edition and it's sold for $9. I've had this in my shop since 2021, so when I first started reselling, not that seriously. So I was just glad to get rid of this one for $9. I had it set for 12 and someone offered 9. I definitely took that. Now let me show you guys how I ship these two items. Jumping over to where the magic happens, the shipping magic that is, we're gonna start off with this shirt. We're gonna keep those buttons safe and protected by buttoning them all up. Now that the shirt's all buttoned up, I want to keep these buttons safe. I learned from Thrift Alive how to fold these guys so that the buttons stay safe for all dress shirts, blazers, and all that stuff. If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, he's really good. I learned a lot from him. So we're going to fold this one. As you can see, usually I already have them all folded up. But I didn't even put it in its first plastic mailer yet. This one sold on eBay going first class. So all I have to do is that thank you note in. This is my last one, so I just have to print some more right for my next order. Now I'll put it in my little fun poly mailer. I get all of my poly mailers from U-Pack and Ship. I feel like they have great rates for the amount of poly mailers that you get. I think I got all of these for $13. I think there's 100 in here, so it's not too bad. There's a link in my bio. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but these are the shipping supplies I use, U-Pack and Ship. This one's ready for that label, and then it's good to go. So with this Pokemon card, it's gonna go using eBay's standard envelope. eBay's special shipping program for cards, stamps, and postcards. It prints you out a label like this. It looks like an envelope. It has certain criteria. If you guys want me to make a video about it, I'll definitely make a video. But that's how I ship my cards, and they've all thankfully arrived well. I put them in one, there's very strict restrictions, so I put them in one of these top loaders. There's little, the little clear bag, the little plastic protective case that you also put in. Then I put it in the envelope and seal it, and you're good to go. The label's right here, as you can see, and it's the special one that prints out through them. So definitely check that out if you're trying to ship out trading cards or any of those little collectible things that I mentioned.